everyone, welcome to a quick comparison video between two project management softwares, Monday.com versus Notion. Now I will just see comparison between these two, and I will tell you at the end of the video which software I think is better choice for you. Now these are two different softwares. They both do the same thing, but they have different functionalities. So as you can see, at a glance, we can see that we have entry-level price is free, and for Monday.com, you need at least $8 to be able to go with 4 seats per month for Monday.com. Now, Notion is great if you want to build a database, if you want to build a mind map, if you want to build really just a database of data. While Monday.com is much better option if you want to manage a team and just do that. Not build a database, but manage a team, strictly that, right? Now, here's the pricing, right? The pricing is free. Obviously, they have plans. They both have plans. Notion is free pricing. Monday.com has $8, and then it goes up to $16 or more, right? And this is, again, 4 seats, 3 seats per month, right? And here are some of the obviously meets requirements, ease of use. Obviously, Notion has a lot more functionalities. That means it's much harder to use for beginners, while Monday.com is a much better choice for beginners, especially if you want to manage a team, right? Now, as you can see, tasks for project management softwares. Monday.com again has more of the things to manage your team, right? And to manage your whole business, right? While Notion, on the other hand, is better for organization and for organizing files and databases, right? So if you compare these two, it's really hard to compare because, again, Monday.com is a project management software. Notion is also a project management software, but it's much better than Monday.com in some cases. But again, as you can see, Monday.com beats Notion in a lot of the things right here, as you can see. Now, whether Monday.com or Notion are better, again, I would definitely recommend Monday.com for people that, they have a small to medium-sized business. They want to, organize the business, organize the work. Then Monday.com is great for that, and also for chatting with your team, for assigning tasks to your team. On the other hand, Notion is better for tracking tasks and databases, writing things down, kind of like a notepad on steroids, right? And obviously, keeping things organized. So that's kind of my comparison between Monday.com and Notion. Again, pick which one suits the best for you. I don't think either of those two are winners or losers, because those are great software. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it valuable. This is just my take on it and what I personally think about it. So comment down below what do you think about them, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.